Buri biro 17 by'okwezi kwa kashatu eihanga lya Ireland nibajaguza ekiro kya St Patrick kandi ekiro eki nibakijaguza okumara esabiti yona kandi nikijagurizibwa omu ihanga eri hamwe nahu eihanga eri ririkuba ryine embassy narishi office zabo. Kandi aha mukoro ogu hashireho ba ambassadors abarukurwa mu mahanga agarukwahukana kandi n'abakuru okurwa muri government eya hano okubasa kwisa omukoro ogu ekitiinisa. Ora ambassador wa Ireland omu ihanga lya Uganda omukugamba kwe ashoborire ngu nibaza kugumizamu n'enkoregana n'ihanga erya Uganda na mnonga omukutungura ebyobwegese barukwongera okuhereza abanya-Uganda za basare.
And we do have many friends in Uganda. But what's really shaped our bilateral relationship has been the power of our diasporas. These are the living bridges between our two nations. Irish people and institutions have contributed and continue to contribute to many fields in Uganda: education, healthcare, culture, business and sport. Thank you all.
Ogo asimire eihanga lya Uganda ahabwo kwikiriza rekakoregana nabo ombyentunguka ekyari kugirango bonke ihanga lyabo nebesimisa ihanga lya Uganda ahabwo kurinda ekitiinisa ky'ihanga eri.
Equally in Ireland, we're grateful to many Ugandans who've helped our country to grow into the modern and thriving island that we are today. And throughout Uganda, you'll find many people who speak fondly of Ireland. Hundreds of Ugandans have shivered through wet Irish winters to emerge with a top-class degree through our fellowship program. And they've returned to Uganda with a rich web of contacts and with a renewed appreciation for Uganda's beautiful climate.
Right Honorable Thomas Tayebwa obairari omujenyi mukuru aha mukorogo amukugamba kwe ashoborire ngu obunywani obu eihanga lya Uganda beine n'ihanga lya Ireland nabwija kugumizamo.
The ties between our peoples date far back to a much earlier time with the arrival of Irish missionaries in Uganda in 1903. The contributions made by the Irish missionaries in the fields of education, health and community development helped lay a strong foundation for the country's community development and the strong historic partnership that we do enjoy today.
Ogo ayonjire yasima embassy ya Ireland ahabwo kwongera habyentunguka ey'abanya-Uganda na mnonga ebyeru kubaha.
Ireland has been a valued partner in Uganda's development journey. Over the last 3 decades alone, Ireland has contributed close to 185 million euros in official development assistance to the people of Uganda. This support has had a meaningful impact in areas such as education, agriculture, governance, humanitarian assistance, and building community resilience.
Right Honorable Thomas Tayebwa nagirango eihanga eri rukozire omurimo gw'amaani omukuyamba abantu abakaramoja omu byobwegese. Gasha kwa Ronald Ngabirano ahabwa Tayari West.
1, 2, 3. Happy St. Patrick's Day.